Good morning, this is Brendan with RuggON Development, and this is a 1-minute review of our RuggON PM521. This tablet comes in Windows as well as Android based operating system. And here we have the overall look at the front of the unit, as well as our dashboard, which is a basically heads-up display of all the aspects of the tablet, and you can self-program it to your specific business operations. Here are the sides. Micro SD, USB, audio jack, etc. Just some standard functions. Let's check out the rear. In the rear we have these rubber bumpers, which are great for keeping the tablet stable, as well as the hand strap and the 5-megapixel camera. Overall, we would rate this tablet a 9.5 out of 10 for its overall ease of use and price to value. And that is a review of our RuggON PM521.